Natagbaw jud ang lolo ug burot sa balon.
Iblo, Rina. Iblo also.
No, no, no. Ay! Nagpaburot just because there's no more. It's low bat. Like a cell phone. Like a cell phone. You charge it like a cell phone. Natagbaw jud ta na yang lolo ug burot aning sa ka plastic ka balon. Charge. Okay. Thank you, lolo.
Hindi, charge sa to. We need to charge it.
Yung bata na rin kulit. Kit kaya. Ay, bring the balon na. One more pa ba lagi?
More, more. No more.
Ay! Galing. Patay kita ni, marunong ka itong hangin. Do not pop it, ha? Sige, tangan ko yung lolo.
I don't pop it. It's just pop her by herself.
Just pop by itself?
Yeah. Just go for the mat and then it's up here.
English pa ka kayo. Thank you, lolo. Thank you. I'll bring it home.